Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark, my assistant Danielle is taking over.
Hi, today we are making heart-shaped rings and knobs for your dresser using one of our favorite products, Glaze Coat. You guys are gonna love this. Are you ready? Here's what you'll need. Hope you guys loved this project. Silicone molds come in a ton of different sizes. Just be sure to let your glaze coat dry in an unoccupied area of your house or outside overnight.
Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave us a comment and Danielle will get back to you. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you
Next week.
Bye.
Bye.